Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the NIGHTWOLF, the newest electric off-road titan, man. I've got to say, when they named this thing, they weren't kidding. I mean, NIGHTWOLF. That sounds like something straight out of an 80s action movie. You know, the kind where the hero drives a badass vehicle with a name like Thunderbest or Laser Falcon. So, what's the deal with the NIGHTWOLF, you ask? Well, first of all, it's an off-road beast. Factory lifted and ready to tackle the roughest terrains. I mean, they don't call it the NIGHTWOLF for nothing. It's built to prowl through the wilderness like a wolf hunting under the moonlight. And don't even get me started on the modular design. It's like playing with Legos. But for grown-ups, you can customize this bad boy to your heart's content. You want extra lights? You got it! Need a roof-mounted rugged case? Sure thing. This truck is like a blank canvas. And the aftermarket brands are the artists. Now, let's talk performance. The NIGHTWOLF is not your typical electric pickup truck. It's got options, folks. You can choose between a single motor RWD or go all in with the dual motor AWD. And it's no slouch in the speed department either. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.2 seconds. That's faster than some sports cars I know. And if you're worried about running out of juice while you're out there conquering the wilderness, fear not. This beast has a 250 to 275 mile range on a single charge. And if you're basking in the sun, the solar panel on top will give you an extra 15 to 20 miles a day. It's like the NIGHTWOLF is charging itself with the power of the sun, making it a real-life superhero. But wait, there's more. Inside, it's not all rugged and tough. It's got modern touches that make it feel like you're driving into the future. A digital driver's display, a central display that's bigger than my TV at home, and a Bluetooth-enabled sound system. It's like they combined the past and the future into this one incredible truck. And speaking of the past, that 72 inches bed at the back, complete with a camper shell, is like a nod to the good old days of camping trips. It's like Alpha Motor Corp reached into my childhood memories and said, "We've got you covered, buddy." Now, what really takes the NIGHTWOLF to the next level is its collaboration with those top aftermarket brands. Black Rhino's 17 inches Atlas off-road wheels, yeah, they're on it. DMOS Collective's Delta Pro shovel, ready for action. Rome Adventure Co. its rugged cases on the roof, check. KC Lights gravity-led headlights and auxiliary lights, you got it. It's like this truck is decked out with gear for a post-apocalyptic adventure. And I'm here for it. They even have a side-mounted jerry can. I don't even know what a jerry can is, but it sounds essential for an off-road journey. Now, for those of you who are thinking, hey, I want a piece of that NIGHTWOLF action, you're in luck. Reservations are open on Alpha's website, but be prepared to part ways with some cash. The price tag is expected to be in the $60,000, $70,000 range. I don't know about you, but I might need to sell my car, my kidney, and maybe a small piece of my soul to afford one. But hey, it's not every day you get to own a vehicle with a name like NIGHTWOLF, right? Subscribe to the Cool Ideas channel and stay tuned for more epic discoveries like the NIGHTWOLF. Because, let's be honest, we all need a little more adventure in our lives, right?